What if I told you that creating content online on a consistent basis can bring customers to you on a daily basis without you having to run ads? In a few minutes, I will show you how content marketing works and why you should be doing so. Hi, I am Pat. Let's get started. First, we need to understand what content marketing really is. Content marketing is not just about posting. It is about creating useful content that solves problems for audience. This is very, very important. You need to understand that your content should be solving actual problems. For example, you talk about blogs. You can write articles and post them in the name of blogs. It can also be a video content like what I'm just doing right now. It can as well be a social media post in the name of images or simple graphics or infographics, as the case may be. It can also be a free guides like a PDF free guides. So these are ways you can use content as a way of marketing, like as a marketing tool. Why is content marketing working? Why it works? First is that it builds trust before selling. So people need to understand that you really know about this topic, like you are an authority in that particular field. Two is that it keeps your brand top of mind. People will need to be seeing what you do on a regular basis. You don't just post one thing and disappear. You need to update people on a regular basis. Third one is that it is cost effective compared to traditional ads. You know, running ads, especially now, can be very, very expensive. So using content marketing can help you. That is what content marketing is. Now, let us discuss about simple content marketing strategies beginners can start even from today. Okay, number one is educational content. In educational content, all you will need to do is to teach your audience something valuable. Maybe in your particular niche, whether it is building, painting, cooking, traveling, or whatever niche it is, just educate people in that particular niche. From that, they will get to know more and trust you. Two is that you can use storytelling. Storytelling content, you share experience that resonates with your audience. You understand? Number three, you can use problem-solving content. From this, you answer questions your customers actually have. You answer their questions. Maybe you can go live, enable Q&A session. When they ask you questions, you answer them. Finally, there are quick tips that help you for better reach. One is that you need to post consistently. Don't just post and disappear, as I have mentioned before. Two is that you also need to focus on quality over quantity. Don't just say you must post 3 to 4 videos every day. Make sure that the ones you are posting have good quality. 10 is to repurpose your contents across all platforms. So